What's up people, it's your boy Man back at again with another video. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification button so you can be notified for another video. Yeah, you already know, man's got a tech video. And you may be wondering why I have sunglasses on indoors and why I have headphones on. Well, just stay tuned and you'll know why. Peace. The reason why I was wearing sunglasses indoors and headphones on earlier is because today I'm going to be unboxing the Black Panther, I mean Zungle Panther. So before I open the box, let me explain to you what Zungle Panther is. Zungle Panther is a pair of sunglasses that play music through your medulla oblongata. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, it means your brain. So basically, these sunglasses, on the tips of the legs, they have like these special technology called bone conduction technology. What they do is they send vibrations through your temporal zone, and your brain will now turn them vibrations into music or audio or like voice, depending on what you want to use it for. So I'm going to show you the capabilities of this device. So first off, the device is like between $150 to like $200 US dollars. So I've got black lenses and I've got blue lenses. Also give you a Zungle sticker. This is what the Zungle Panther looks like. Let me just open this. First off, inside the packet you get stickers, your instruction manuals and your warranty. Also get like this special protective case. Oh, it looks so nice, it looks so sleek, it's amazing. It says Zungle on the side. It's the charger, so you can also charge it, so when the battery dies. Assuming the charger is USB type B, like Android and that. So inside the case, this is what you get. You get the Zungle Panther looking all sleek and sexy. I got the black one. Oh my god. You also get like a pouch. This is what it looks like. So basically this is what the Zungle Panther looks like. You got the front, you got the legs, the sides. Here you got the Zungle logo. So when you turn this on, the Zungle logo will start flashing. This is how you know how much battery you have. So when it's flashing red, you have like a low battery. If it's flashing blue, you have a lot of battery left. And at the bottom here, you've got the power on and off switch. And on the teeth, this is where the bone conduction is. So this is how you listen to your music. So all you do is put it on your head, then it'll now conduct through your skull, and it'll play music. You can also use this like if you're in a phone conference, like if you're having phone calls, yeah, you can use it. It has like a small microphone, so you can like answer the phone. You just swipe here to answer your phone, and you can also use this to swipe through music, play, pause music, answer calls and that. So it's nice. So in order to pair to the device, what you have to do is press and hold the on and off button for more than 5 seconds until it starts flashing rapidly. Flashing rapidly. You got Zungle Panther. So now that the Zungle Panther is paired, it will now be solid blue.
Had so many bottles, gave us a girl a sip. Out the window of the Benz so we can sit in the red. And I'm like, whoa. What's up, it's your boy Chris Brown, and right now you're watching Rap Caviar. Turn up with the week's best music and dopest new videos.
Hey. yeah, that's the Zungle Panther. It looks nice, looks sleek. Doesn't cost that much. It's only like $150 to $200. Depends on how the combinations you get. You can either get 2 of these and get like black and white. You can get green. You can get pink. You can also get different lenses. So it depends on what you get. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and stay tuned for my next videos as well. And I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves, and I hope you guys get the Samsung S9 and S9 Plus. You don't know. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, make sure you stay notified, and yeah, peace.
How about that? How about that? How about that? How about that? Catch me outside.